DC voltage measurement, DC regulated power supply measurement display. AC voltage measurement using transformer. Data to detect whether the line is on or off. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured.
In the AC voltage range, the value jump is normal due to the influence of the environment. You can reset the red and black test leads to 0.
And CV non-contact induction voltage, safe to use. Capacitance measurement of household appliances shows that you can discharge force when measuring capacitance. Diode measurement, positive and negative poles need to be aligned. Data to detect whether the line is on or off. DC voltage measurement. Flashlight can be used in the dark